Hello everybody, I am excited to be here. So in this video I am going to go over pulling stock data from the AlphaVantage API, and we are going to set up a batch of stocks that we are going to run through a for loop to pull some data and analyze it. So let's get started here. We are going to go over really quick how to install the AlphaVantage. So I'm going to go to my Anaconda prompt and cd into my desktop, which is where my Python directory is, and then you type in, for Windows it's pip install alpha_vantage, and it's going to say the requirement is already satisfied. So once you've done that, you should be good to go. So let's start importing. So first off, we're going to import pandas as PD. Let's get this on the lower line here. And from alpha_vantage dot tech indicators import tech indicators. So that's going to be for the second request, and this time series it will be for the first set of data that we pull. So from AlphaVantage dot time series import time series. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run that cell, and the next step would be putting in your API key. So you just go to the AlphaVantage website and they will have you sign up really quick and get you an API key, and then you can just enter it like this. So API_key is equal to, and then you fill in the values here that they provide you with. I've already ran my API key in a cell above this just to so I can keep the same API key and don't have to get a new one. Alright, so the next step will be we are going to create a list of stocks that we are going to go through. So stocks is equal to, and then let's do Intel, AMD, and NVIDIA. These are just fun ones to pull. I like to keep up with the computer market, so we'll get some data. Alright, so next step is time series is equal to time series, and then it's going to be key is equal to API_key, comma, output_format, and that is going to be equal to pandas. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we are going to create this for loop. So for stock in stocks data, comma, metadata is equal to time series dot get underscore daily. So this is gonna pull the open, close, volume, prices. So next we are going to have symbol is equal to stock. All right, and then below this we are going to print data dot tail, and then what we're going to do is we are going to get the last 5 rows of data for each stock. So here we go. And so it's going to be open, high, low, close, and volume for Intel, AMD, and then lastly NVIDIA. So let's go over another useful tool that the AlphaVantage API provides for us. What we're going to do is we are going to type up, we're going to copy the stocks here just for reference, and we are going to use the technical indicators that we imported earlier. So it's going to be TI is equal to tech indicators, and then that's going to be key is equal to API underscore key, comma, output format is equal to pandas again. I should have just copied and pasted this. All right, so we have that, and for stock in stocks data comma meta data is equal to ti dot get underscore RSI. So this is going to give us the RSI values for the last 5 days. So symbol is equal to stock, comma, interval is equal to daily. And I'll link the AlphaVantage API documentation, and you can switch the time intervals that you would like to pull from. And next step is going to be print data.tail. And we'll, again, how about we just do today's data? So let's see what we get. So each stock is riding around the 50 mark, and the typical range is between 70, which is it's a pretty high RSI and could be overbought, and 30 is a indicator of being oversold. So it's just useful information to check, and you can use this to get data from a batch of stocks that you'd like to follow. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.